Hello guys. Welcome to your YouTube channel NB InfoTech. In this video tutorial, we will check for how to hide date and time from the notification area, or from the taskbar. First, we will check for Windows 10 operating system, and then for the Windows 7 operating system. Watch the whole video carefully, and follow the steps. Let's check how to hide the date and time from the notification area, or taskbar, in the Windows 7 operating system. If you like this video, then give a big thumbs up. And subscribe our channel NB InfoTech, also press the bell icon to get the notification, whenever we upload a new video. Till the time, take care, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.